welcome back to Lucky Hit. Today we're out still working on the boat. Actually, I'm sitting on it right now. It's a very rainy day again here in Florida, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to for the past 3 days. Basically, all I've been doing is cleaning. Give you a quick walk around of the boat. When I first pulled this boat out, you know, there was trees, all kinds of stuff growing on it. Pretty much got most of it off of it at this point. See inside, back cabin. Here's the cockpit. Here's the front cabin so far.
Spanish ladies, farewell and adieu, dear ladies of Spain.
So anyway,
For we've received orders.
this is what I've been up to for the past 3 days. It's been raining a lot. Besides that, cleaning up the yard, getting everything taken care of. Got the motor down in the hole right there. It's just another day of working my butt off. So that's my update on the boat. Got some pictures of the yard and stuff in here too. I'm guessing it's going to take me at least another week of cleaning this thing up before I can go ahead and move it. And then it's going to a marina where I'm going to proceed to start rebuilding the whole interior. So stay tuned. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Have a great night.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't want to face myself. I don't want to face myself. I don't want to face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.